What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the My Crypto Journey live stream here for coffee and crypto, or Monster Energy Drink and crypto today. And of course, we're getting some positive price action in the market today. Looks like we're looking good. I mean, we did not expect this, but careful. I don't know what's up with the markets, but they forgot about the turmoil that is to come with our economy. So just be careful and whatnot. But hey, when in doubt, DCA, right? So we got Bitcoin up 3%, Ethereum up 4%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market just absolutely moving. Now, an obvious winner is Shiba Inu, up 30%. 30%. That's actually pretty crazy. So congrats if you hold SHIB. I'm not sure why it's going up. I mean, it depends when you bought in, but it's nice to see some recovery and for them to eat that zero that they've lost a little while ago. Now, Shiba Inu has been kind of on a pretty bad downtrend, but, it's been following the market. I think that when people ask me when Shiba Inu is going to pump, I say, look at the market to see, you know what I mean? Like, hey, what is the market doing? It's so established. It has such a large community that I think it's going to move with the market. Now, I don't know why it's pumping. And if you guys know why it's pumping, feel free to fill me in. But to me, it doesn't make any sense. I haven't seen any big updates from Satoshi or the SHIB Twitter. I haven't heard anything about that. Good morning. Hope you're all doing well. Make sure to hit that like button. So good for SHIB holders. It's looking really, really good right now. Yeah, I mean, I want them to really work on Shibarium, get that up and running, and I think that that'll be good for the project and all, right? So whatever you do not flip your mobile device to the left. What's up, King Degenerate? Welcome, chat. Let me say hi to the chat. We got Gabe. We got Bree in the house, slightly beat out by Gabe. King Degenerate, Dr. K, DJ, Saitama V3. What's going on, baby? Gabe, MBK, Bernie, Cortez, Dragon Crypto. We got Mr. Plankton. What's up, baby? Happy post-birthday. Roddy is selling his Saitama before the stream. That stuff is just down. It's just not even moving. It's worth $15 now, so I got rugged. Swift Deal. What's going on, babies? Michelle, how you doing? How you doing? Isn't Shiba doing all kinds of things, involved in a lot of stuff? Yeah, they're doing a lot of different things, right? They got the restaurant, the wellies, they got the metaverse thing going. There was a news of a AAA gaming studio months ago. So they have a lot of things going. I'm not the biggest SHIB holder and biggest SHIB person, but on the verge of dropping. But haven't we been hearing that for a while now? Like a few days at least. And check this out. You think that's crazy? Celsius going dumb. Going absolutely dummy. So Celsius up 40% off of the news that they had a recovery plan. They want to stop the short squeeze. As we know, Celsius, one of the platforms, right, in crypto, pretty much, taking a dump. Really putting a lot of holders at risk, not letting people withdraw their money and their funds and those sorts of things. But I guess there's a recovery plan that's proposed. And apparently this person helped in the, I think it was the BitConnect or Bitfinex issue that was running rampant in the cryptocurrency market, right? After the Bitfinex hack in 2016. So that's pretty interesting. I'm going to see how this pans out. We'll see what's going on. But like I said, this could be a big pump then dump. Now, we knew that the market was going to pump and dump all the way to the bottom. But Kevin OLeary made a pretty good video or appearance on CNBC television, and we're going to go ahead and watch that. What's up, Crypto Jones? How you doing? ASMR fan. So let's go ahead and check it out.
I'm actually averaging down on a couple.
First things first, we saw that massive sell-off in cryptocurrencies on Monday. There's a lot of uncertainty about what comes next. Kevin, you've said that 20% of your investments are in crypto. And so I just want to start with, what are you doing? Are you exiting some of these positions? Are you buying more?
No, I'm actually averaging down on a couple of the big market cap names. I mean, one of the challenges, and this is proof now for why we need legislation and policy on crypto, because if we had institutional capital coming in under the market, if they had allocated 50 basis points or 100 basis points to, let's say, Ethereum or Bitcoin, Solana, Polygon, whatever, you would have had a bid. Instead, because we're basically under-owned by institutions, we have tremendous volatility. And we've seen this before. This is not new. It'll, recover eventually, but this is the nature of crypto unregulated. And so my argument is this really should get us focused on policy. Right after the midterms, I'm hoping for policy on stable coins and then into other assets as well, NFTs, that kind of thing. We're at the nascent stage, but the volatility is because we don't have the institutional bid.
And that was something we've talked about before, right? And that's interesting. You want to listen to guys like this, right? Without regulation, like a lot of big investor money, they're just not going to feel comfortable getting into cryptocurrency, right? They're just not going to, because they don't want to lose all their money. So I welcome some regulation. Obviously, there is regulation that can take it too far. But when you think of what's going on with some of these, protocols like, Anchor Protocol and UST and all these insane things that end up crumbling and really making the entire cryptocurrency market look bad and the cryptocurrency world look bad, I think that we definitely need some sort of regulation. So let's continue.
I do want to talk more about policy in just a moment. But before that, how should retail investors be thinking about this sell-off? Is it an opportunity to buy at a discount, or is it just too risky to make any sort of bet at the moment?
No, I mean, everybody has challenges with volatility, but I remind everybody, just go back 17 years to a stock called Amazon. It also corrected 38 to 50% every year for 12 years in a row as people tried to figure out what this new entity was. And so there's always tremendous volatility in new and nascent technologies and new markets. And crypto is a new market. I still predict in 10 or 12 years, it'll be the 12th sector of the S&P. There's just too much productivity opportunity here around payment systems and all kinds of other attributes of these blockchain projects that we just don't yet know what the upside is going to be. And I'd argue this, if you go to any graduating class, particularly now, it's very timely to say this, ask any engineering cohort, you're going to find a third of the engineers go onto the chain. They want to work there. They don't want to work in the other 11 sectors of the economy. They want the opportunity to create something new. And that's why you've got so much intellectual capital going into this space. You know with certainty down the road that the next genius ideas are going to come from this. Any college, any university, any engineer, they all want to work on the chain.
Well, on that last point, let's talk.
That's cool to hear, right? All the, younger people, that are graduating, all the engineers and all the, the people that are going to, add value to the world, they're all looking towards the blockchain, right? And that's awesome. That's what we want to hear. We want people innovating and coming up with fantastic ideas. I mean, Vitalik created Ethereum because World of Warcraft made his favorite character in the game weaker, or he nerfed it or something like that. So we want to see very smart people getting into cryptocurrency. So this is really good news. And it's good to hear from someone like Kevin OLeary. So the future's bright, but I think we all know that, right?
Talk about crypto-focused businesses for a moment. Coinbase this morning announcing that they're cutting 18% of their staff. Gemini had a similar announcement, as did Crypto.com. MicroStrategy is down 75% year to date. Are crypto companies uninvestable at this point?
No, I wouldn't say that. There's two categories of crypto companies, ones that use leverage and ones that don't. Now, when you have a very volatile asset and you have the fortitude, I'm going to use that word, to use leverage to enhance your returns, you also run the downside risk of what happens when there's a major correction, as is occurring right now. You can get caught offside pretty quickly. And so Celsius, that's a good example of that. And I don't want this to sound trite, but let me explain how bottoms are made in any market. I don't care if you're in equities or in debt or in crypto or in real estate. You always need a big player to go to zero. That always helps, whether it's long-term capital or whether it's one of these crypto infrastructure companies. I would like to see, and I don't want this to happen, but it always gives you a good bottom when you get a large player over-levered that goes to zero. And that always tends to be the beginning of the rebuilding process. So if you have to sacrifice someone who used too much leverage, and it's always leverage that does this, somebody's over-levered, positions are complicated, they're not transparent, they're not liquid, and they go to zero. Someone is out there on the brink of zero. That's okay. In fact, I'd argue that's a good thing when we get it. Now, do we get it this week? Do we get it next week? Someone's going to zero. I don't know who, but it'll be great for everybody else that survives because everybody will learn from that. And that's what I like about a washout, an event. And I think we're due for one in crypto land. And
And I think that's important, right? We're seeing a lot of these companies go under in crypto because, like you said, they're over leveraged. They don't have the money available. And when things get bad, right, it exposes them. And you need, in order to rebuild, you need these companies to get kind of weeded out. So unfortunately, it's going to wreck a lot of people in the process, right? But it adds new hope to investors that are just maybe just getting into cryptocurrency at a bottom, or maybe like for the overall cryptocurrency market, because we know that there's so many good projects. Like there's so many good projects to get into. And now we know from this market that maybe getting into these protocols or projects that are offering this insane APY is probably not the move, right? But I mean, got to learn sometime, and sometimes this is the best way to learn is to get wrecked.
I don't know who it's going to be, but I guarantee you 100%, I've seen this movie before, you will learn later that somebody put on a heavily levered position, they got wiped out. And it's good. It's a good thing.
So to that point, how are you navigating this crypto winter for the crypto businesses that you're involved in?
This is good.
I don't use leverage on crypto because I've seen volatility like this in the past. There are certain assets where I might put leverage on, but it won't be in crypto. I mean, when you see volatility of 50% on an 11-month basis, which we're seeing in Bitcoin, 60%, 20% days on Ethereum, you can't afford to put leverage on that. But, people will learn their lessons. This is a good thing in the sense that this generation of crypto investors has not gone through corrections like this and not gone through them with leverage. Now they're going to learn an important lesson. Everybody I know that has survived volatility has had a very important lesson or a date with leverage. And they didn't have a great dance that night, I must tell you.
Are there any takeaways for retail investors who are looking to buy the dip and add to their portfolio? Any categories of cryptocurrencies they should be looking at? Anything that they should be wary of?
I think right now, if you're, licking your wounds, go to the large cap projects. I mean, the Ethereum, Bitcoin, obviously Polygon, Solana.
Yes.
Polygon's been slaughtered, and it's a good project. Great opportunity to add to it. I have very big positions in these names, and I've been nibbling as well. There's nothing wrong. The one thing I would tell everybody is you can't pick the bottom. It's impossible. You have no idea when it's going to happen. But if you're staying long the category, you need diversification. I have so many different positions on right now, and they're all over the map. Now, come year end, what'll happen, because this is a year where we're going to be looking at tax returns on all crypto trading and income, there'll be a lot of maneuvering on the projects that did not recover to take them as tax losses versus the ones that did. And that's going to be the nimbleness of trading. And that's why it's important to look at your positions and make sure you have liquidity in them, because most of these projects are very, very liquid. So it's not a problem. And we actually haven't seen, we had the Binance story yesterday. They looked for a couple of hours of room on what they called a lazy trade. The Celsius thing, well, that's a gate. That's not good. So that will not end well. And when you lock the gate in a hedge fund, basically, you upset a lot of investors, and when they get the opportunity to sell, they do with a vengeance. Never good to do this. Can't help them, but they didn't understand the situation, I guess. But there'll be some money lost there. But Binance is the big daddy of them all on platforms, and they seem to be surviving.
Oh, did he take our turn, Big Daddy? What's up, Kevin? But that's important, right? We're talking about, and we're going to go back because he's about to get into Binance, and we're super bullish on Binance and just BNB in general, right? Now, he talks about, hey, no one can call the bottom. I mean, we could get close, right? We can see right now that, hey, history tells us is that this could be a bottom, but a lot of people are predicting to go down even more. But even if this is not the bottom, if you're bullish on cryptocurrency, well, hey, eventually it's going to pass its all-time high, and buying now at 20K Bitcoin, right? Of course, I'm talking about the entire market, but 20K Bitcoin is better than a 60K Bitcoin. So DCA, right? Yeah. So let's continue.
Situation, I guess, but there'll be some money lost there. But Binance is the big daddy of them all on platforms, and they seem to be surviving. FTX looks fine. Circle, rock solid, didn't break a buck. Put out an announcement to their investors yesterday saying, look, to the extent we've had to have margin calls, there hasn't been a problem. I mean, these are the things you look for in stress situations. You've got a lot of infrastructure holding its own, So I think there has been some maturation or maturity coming into the crypto market by these behemoth infrastructure projects. I'll say the same for BitBuy and for WonderFi, holding their own, making sure their clients are being taken care of. I have big positions in those companies as well. So we're all, weathering the storm, and you have to do this. There's nothing else to do except watch with wonder.
Now, you said that it's hard to call a bottom, but let's say we continue to see a sell-off. Is there the possibility that the crypto sector, dropping in value could hurt the U.S. economy ultimately, or is it just a degree of magnitude so irrelevant that it's not going to make much of a difference?
Well, the great news about the crypto economy and even positions like Bitcoin or Ethereum, these are decentralized holdings. It's not just the American investor exposed here. Bitcoin is all around the world. And it's only 880 billion before the correction, which, as you rightly pointed out, is a big nothing burger. And so that's nothing. I mean, even all of crypto under 2 trillion is still nothing in financial services. So there's so much upside to this sector. When we do get policy, when we get institutional investors and sovereign wealth involved, then you'll start to see real assets. But, if Bitcoin went down another 20%, it wouldn't really matter because it's spread around everywhere. And most of the holdings are not institutional. For all the excitement about Bitcoin, no institutions own it yet. And that's the decision you have to make at a time like this when you're an investor. I mean, this is an opportunity to say to myself or anybody, look, if I believe in 3 years, 36 months, that there'll be policy on Bitcoin, do I want to own it after policy comes and all the institutions start buying it? Or do I want to take a chance and live with some volatility now and buy it here at 24 or 23 or 20,000, whatever it's going to go to? I don't know. But if you believe in Bitcoin, it's a buying opportunity, but you can't guarantee that you're catching the bottom. Nobody catches the bottom. It never works that way.
So let's return to that question of policy. The crypto space is expecting to get some clarity, a lot of draft legislation circling in Washington. What are your thoughts on some of the bills that we're seeing put forward?
Well, I've spent a lot of time on the Hill in the last 2 months. I've met with everybody that's brought a bill forward. Haggerty, Toomey, Lummis. I mean, there's a lot of interest in this. Here's what I think is going to happen. They're going to pick one thing. They're going to pick one thing and put policy on that. It's going to be stablecoin to start. And the policy there is going to be pretty clear. All the bills say the same thing. They want total transparency. They want an audit every 30 days. They want no duration more than 12 months on any asset holding up the coin. So that means T-bills on average are going to be 7-8 month duration and US dollars backing it. And that's the same kind of rule you're going to find in a Schwab money market or a Fidelity money market or any money market fund, with the benefit of all of these systems, once you put policy in place, having the ability to be a payment system. So I would love to see this happen. And the reason I think you'll get policymakers on both sides of the aisles backing this one thing after the midterm elections is this guarantees making the US dollar the currency of default in perpetuity. Once you back the US dollar on a stable coin, everybody's going to want to use it. I'm not going to use the Chinese one. I'm not going to use the Swiss franc. I'd be worried about liquidity. I'm not going to use the euro. The euro's all over the map. I'm certainly want nothing to do with Russia, and I'm not going to use the British pound. I want the US dollar to be a payment system that everybody else will accept around the world, like they do for commodities like oil. It's priced on the US dollar. So if we get stable coin policy, you talk to any policymaker about this, they get the joke in 2 seconds. It's so simple to understand this. Some of the issuers will become FDIC insured. They'll be like a bank. Others will say, no, I don't want to be FDIC insured, and we'll have a plethora of different offerings all around the same policy. So I can choose, maybe I'll put some money into the Fidelity one. I'm saying the same thing I do right now. I put dollars into the Oppenheimer money market. I put money into Schwab's money market. So the same thing will happen on stable coins. Now, we just have to wait for policy. And right now in USDC, the one that's holding the buck, rock solid, 54 billion in assets,
yes, sir.
Right through the week, right through the correction. No problem with liquidity. I wrote more contracts this week on it. So look, there's a lot of people interested in making this work. I think we'll get policy there first.
So very interesting stuff from Kevin O'Leary. I think that the main things we could take away from there, right, are, hey, no one could call the bottom. Better to DCA right now. Right. So that's probably the move. Let's go ahead and pull up the SHIB chart because Shiba Inu is going absolutely crazy today. This is a crazy pop. Real quick. Look at this bot going the same one, just pump, dump. Insane. Like right when this person's bought bot for 240. This one sold like the same second. Absolutely insane. So be careful out there, man. No joke. Okay. So some of the main takeaways we heard from Kevin O'Leary is what? Well, no one can call the bottom. It's better to DCA, right? It's just DCA. And he's looking at some of the top cryptocurrency projects to put your money in, right? That's what he's looking to. He said, things like Ethereum, BNB, maybe Cardano, XRP, Solana. He didn't say XRP, but he said Polygon. Like Polygon's something that's Polygon has gotten absolutely murdered. And nothing's wrong with it. Polygon's gotten absolutely murdered, like slaughtered. This thing was like $3 and nothing's really wrong with it. I mean, there's a lot of good projects that are probably a safer bet to put your money in and just ride the wave out. Now, we talked about institutions getting Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general. Do you want to have a spot in cryptocurrency before big institutions? Yes, of course you do. And that's why we're here. Right. That's why we're here right now. So that's very, very interesting, right? That's very, very interesting. Of course, you want to have, a place in cryptocurrency before big institutions get in, because once they make it safe for big investor money to get in, that's when we're going to see the real money start coming into cryptocurrency. So we could sit here and, look at the day-to-day news because it's exciting. And of course, it's exciting. It's always exciting. But the long-term outlook is, hey, I'm bullish on crypto being bigger than what it is now. So diversify your portfolio, right? He didn't say wait. He didn't say wait. He said he was DCA. No one could call the bottom, right? No one can really call the bottom. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see how this plays out. And it's looking bright. And the whole cryptocurrency to me is looking bright. So let's go, baby. Let's go. Now, what's up with SHIB? I don't know. Do you guys know why SHIB's? Okay, so apparently it's probably Shibarium is going to be released soon. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. So let's go ahead and check out. Let's go ahead and Google Shibarium, see if we can find anything. Shibarium news. So Shiba Inu community votes on crucial bone upgrade for Shibarium. So this is what about it coming to market though? Not an upgrade. Pushing business away from joining Shibarium, Shiba Inu major developers. Shiba Inu vote upgrade. So it's just upgrade, or like is it coming soon? Let's see. Shiba Inu developers have planned a community vote to make Bone governance token gas. So Bone will be the gas, right? Okay. Experts predict Shiba Inu will touch its new all-time high of 2025 by 2025, a year after Bitcoin halving. What? Well, I mean, it has a good base, right? It has a good base. They're doing a lot of different things, but Shibarium is crucial, I think, to everything. You got to get off Ethereum. So Matic will pump hard. I think when the market moves, yes, Matic will pump. So not really any news of it coming to market soon, but $9 shit. Shiba Inu invites community to vote Bone upgrade Shibarium protocol as experts predict $9 ship. God damn. So are they lowering the supply? Are they lowering the supply? That's very interesting. They'd have to lower the supply quite a bit. 2060, yeah. So U.S. stock market is green right now, but I just have a feeling it's going to start dumping and crypto will follow. I mean, we knew that it would pump and dump and pump and dump all the way down, right? Financial literacy is key. Crypto hasn't even reached its highest peak yet. Buy now or cry later. Russ, I think they're saying this because the supply has to be lowered somehow. There's no way. Very, very interesting. I thought they were voting to stop minting Bone now. Ronnie says 2060, I'm gonna die. Got another 40 years in you? I'll be taking my $1 million at 1 cent. No way I'm waiting till 2060. I cannot cap on Koma Inu. It's making moves. Almost every Monday for the past 2 months has been a green day. Tuesdays, everybody is saying recession. Yeah, it's funny the day-to-day news, right? While we've just been trending down. But hey, this is a golden opportunity, you know? The hype of cryptocurrency has obviously died down. But man, don't you just see, look at, I don't want the market to dump more because I don't want people to get wrecked, right? But I do want some really good buying opportunities, and I just feel like the best prices are not here yet. But just in case they are, I did buy some. Right? Yeah, we still need some quads, right? Yeah, but this could be a trap, so be careful. This could be a big trap, so be careful. Be careful. ApeCoin is the next play. I do like ApeCoin, actually. I think that it's going to go crazy when the market starts to move again. I do like ApeCoin. I feel like it really made its place that now Decentraland passed it up again. But for a while there, ApeCoin hopped over Decentraland, and Decentraland's the big, metaverse token. Decentraland's the big guy in the space. But ApeCoin did take its place for a little bit. Man, ApeCoin moved, man. What do we have, like $27 or something like that? Yeah, about $27. My goodness. That was like the easiest buy the rumor, sell the news event ever, right? That was crazy. The market will be saved when clear cryptos gets transparency. If you're educated enough on crypto, you'll see this as a great opportunity. It might suck that it's dropping, but in a year or 2 or 5, you'll be sitting pretty as fuck. Yeah, exactly. All right, get it, JT. Get it, JT. I think if it's true, Volti change can be beneficial to Shiba token burns to reach $5 to $9. Wait, what? Volta change? Is that Volt's exchange? Tesla up 11%. That's good. Tesla, there's been a lot of real fear, uncertainty, and doubt coming out about Tesla. Yes, Gala, Sandbox, Mana gonna be the heavy hitters of the metaverse. Yes, I like Gala. Gala Games is good. SHIB is pumping for now, yeah. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, of course, look at this is what Shiba Inu looks like in the grand scheme of things, right? Look at let's be serious now. But look at that. Look at that. You know. A lot of stuff going on. We'll see what happens, but what's up, Neville? How you doing? Pull up on my volts. God level moon. All love Rodney. Jonkaru micro pump. No, it's true though. It's true, right? It's true though. Like, when in doubt, don't zoom out. That doesn't apply yet. What's up, Legal Alien? How you doing? I love the sarcasm. Oh yeah. If you guys do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button, baby. Push us up in the old algae, the old alg skis. Push us up in the old algorithm. Were you guys, how many people, let me know in the chat, how many people were here during this huge SHIB pump? How great was that? How great was that feeling, right? I bought so much. I bought a few thousand right here. And it pumped like crazy. And I took my profits. I took all my profits. I didn't leave any in there. Everyone I was watching said, hey, bro, just, leave it in there. Like, hey, it's going to moon, whatever. And it went absolutely insane. Were you guys there during that pump? And I felt so bad. But the thing is, I did invest in a Saitama in this area. Right after I took my profits in this range. And so I did make some of that money I would have made, but I would have made way more if I would have stayed in the Shiba Inu pump. Way more. Way more. Is Chase here? What's up, Chase? Also, I am doing a giveaway. If you guys are members of the channel, let me go to my Twitter real quick. If you guys are members of my channel, at the end of this stream today, I'm going to pick a winner. I'm going to be sending you. All you have to do is go to my Twitter. Links in the description. I'll go ahead and pin this. Actually, I won't pin it because I want to keep my other thing pinned. But all you have to do is retweet this. And I'll pick a winner in a little bit. I'm going to send you a hoodie and $100 worth of ETH. So you get a degenerate hoodie, a little nice rug pull hoodie, and $100 worth of ETH. But you have to be a member. So members only giveaway. So if you guys are into that, cool. If you're not, that's cool too. But wanted to hook my members up for just being loyal. So I appreciate you guys. So links to my Twitter and everything is in the description of this video. And thank you for 10K followers on Twitter. That's actually kind of amazing. So appreciate that. SHIB made me life-changing money. I mean, when you make 10 grand in a few days, I mean, that's like, I mean, come on, insane. That's when I found out about SHIB, shaking my head like a week late to the party. That's when everybody, that's what usually happens. A lot of people are late to the party. They kind of miss the initial pump, and that's what happens, right? What's up, Lively? Yes, all you have to do is retweet that tweet. I'm going to do a picker here in a second. You haven't said anything about Volt Tier 1 exchange. I didn't. What exchange was it? I'm not. I don't really follow Volt. I've been seeing it, but exchanges are nice, but we need a use case, right? Is you have to be the member. You have to be a member. Sorry, guys. I have to hook up my members, man. They're paying me $5 a month or 10, some of them. So I have to hook up the members, guys. Do you think SHIB will do it again in October? It followed the market as what we can see that it followed the market, right? So it pumped when the entire cryptocurrency market pumped ish in the area. So I think it'll move with the market. And before that, it got listed on Coinbase, and it got listed on Binance. So a lot of places for people to buy it, coupled with a booming market. So that's what you want. King Degenerate. Me too. Bree collected my profits to put 1K into Saitama, rode it up to the Vegas event, and sold off 40 minutes Saitama for my 1K. Not bad. That's not bad at all. A lot of people are late to the party because they call everything a scam. Hey, just like it, retweet. That's all you got to do. What's up, Lively? No, this one. Here, I'll pin it. There it is. It's pinned. Watch out for profit taking. SHIB might die out sooner than we know. No, $100 worth in ETH, not 100 ETH. $100 in ETH. Little weirdos. All right, that's fine, Bree. I know you got the DGen hoodie. Yeah, that's fine. Honestly, Teespring could do a better job. It's kind of whack, Yeah, so Shiba Inu looking pretty good right now. So hopefully Shibarium is released. That'll be a good catalyst for it. We thought the biggest catalyst would be the Robinhood situation, but they got listed on Robinhood and we haven't seen nada. But what that means is that when the market starts to run, which I don't think is going to be for a while, like really run, it's going to be more places for people to buy it. So retail traders, people that just want to really, just kind of play around a little bit, especially on Robinhood. A lot of degenerates on Robinhood will be able to do its thing. What's up, Legal? It'll be cheap fees, but it's not going to flip ETH. No comment. Key Degenerate. Robinhood was way too late to the party, but good to have once market starts making moves. Exactly. Hey, Rodney, did the hoodie say that Saitama was a rug pull? Volti change making every project deflationary. Nice. Shibarium versus SATA Pro. Ooh, Shibarium. Well, SATA Pro still doesn't have its own blockchain, so or its own like layer 2. It's just an ERC20 token still, or it's on the Ethereum blockchain. So we'll see. Yes, Bernie. I sent Bernie a MCJ t-shirt way back in the day. Remember I sent everybody t-shirts? which in the grand scheme of things is way back in the day. But I hope the hoodie giveaway isn't a you get to pick your size. You get to pick your size. I have to order it for you, so you're gonna have to share your address information with me, which is awkward, but or I could send you like the equivalent ETH, but I want to send you a hoodie too. So if you don't feel comfortable sharing your address with me, I mean, I promise I won't show up at your house. I think Chainlink is a good blue chip play. Chainlink is actually pretty good. I like Chainlink too. Yeah, I'm not a big Volt guy. How do you feel about Terrarium's newest utility coming around the 4th of July? What did Terrarium say about that? Well, I'm not. Damn, what's up? What's up, baby? Terrarium. What's up, baby? Oh, they have a new logo. This looks better. That looks better. What is their new thing? Terrarium. I got a Medium article. I don't know about there. They're at the we were going to go to this expo, but good thing we did it. Apollo changed their logo and the name Inu is gone. So it's just Apollo. That's good. Good for them. Hey, emergency. Will SHIB go back down under 10? What's up, Nelson? I think that SHIB is going to experience a pullback a little bit. I don't think it's going to keep going up. Who knows? I don't know, but all the SHIB hawkers are back making videos. Of course, this is like the news, right? If you're a SHIB channel, you're killing it. What's up, Dundo? I'm giving away a degenerate hoodie along with $100 worth of ETH, but you have to be a member of the channel. So if you don't have a little eggplant next to your name like DJ Crypto, excuse me, DJ Cool Guy, Bree, Prism Wallet, Mr. Plankton, Rowena, Swift. What's up, Rowena? How you doing? Swift Deal, Crypto Jones. If you don't have a eggplant next to your name, I can't give you a. I know King Degenerate has a pseudo eggplant next to his name, but if you don't have an eggplant next to your name, I can't give you. You can't participate. It's only for members. So people are going to get wrecked hard. This is a fake breakout, and a small pump won't last, and the drip will get. Yeah. So T and Toast, we figured that crypto. We think the market's going to go down, but we don't know, right? So we don't know. I figure it will. So. Ronnie's going to be stalking the winter to make sure you're wearing the hoodie. I'll show up at your place 24 hours a day. Rodney, the Saitama drama on your Twitter has me in stitches. These guys will not leave me alone. They're just mad at me, but they're just mad because we've been right. So I don't know what you want me to say. They're just mad because your boy's been right the entire time. And of course, you have to follow me on Twitter. If you don't follow me on Twitter, that ain't right. I'll be going to San Diego soon. Can I just pick up the hoodie? What's up, Off the Grid? Well, they come from Teespring, so it's like a warehouse. It'd be an artificial pump. Doesn't make any sense. I don't understand Robinhood's logic with Shiba. I don't understand why they was purposely late, months late. Maybe they figured that there would be a run now. Maybe Robinhood thought there would be a run now, but yeah, they were way late. They had an opportunity to really put it on Robinhood, and SHIB would have went crazy. It would have been stupid. All right, I'm gonna take a piss. I'll be right back. Clickety clack that like button, and if you have Shiba Inu, let me know in the chat. baby? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? It's holding strong right now. It's holding very, very strong right now. Wait, is that who's that? Allow us to reintroduce us. We are Saitama. Our statement video can be found on the official YouTube. Let's see.
Welcome to Saitama. We are a global community of committed individuals building a platform that will help people understand money and integrate decentralized finance into their daily lives. We come from different places. We speak different languages. We have different
This is the most like ridiculous generic fucking video ever, right?
codes, but we share the same vision. We believe in a world without borders, bound together by human connection. And to foster this vision, Saitama develops a decentralized ecosystem that makes cryptocurrencies simple and safer for people of different cultures, ages, and economic statuses. The center of our project is the new Saitama token, redesigned as a utility token with enhanced tokenomics and multiple use cases that grant everyone access to DeFi, while offering one of the lowest taxes in this space. Join us. Do your own research and discover the...
They said do your own research. This is terrible. This is like not good. This is not good. Random, but best foods to build muscle. You just got to make sure you're building muscle is just about going in the gym, hypertrophy, right? Really pushing hard in the gym, you know, strength, bodybuilding type workouts to break down the muscle, adequate sleep, adequate amount of protein. And that's how you build muscle. That's it. You got to give your muscle a reason to grow, right? So there's a lot of foods that have protein in them, but obviously meats are going to have like the most protein. And of course, there's supplements, protein powder, all that good stuff. But come to my other channel, man. We're going to stream today. So you think millionaires are buying Volt, BTFA, and Banix or any other meme tokens? Absolutely not. No, they're not. Institutional money is not buying shitcoins. But they're just not. They're just not. Nobody's getting reflections. CZ says, damn, 9 years ago, Bitcoin was $110. 8 years ago, $595. 7 years ago, oh my God. So we did have a year where Bitcoin didn't, not by much though, but obviously it's a lower percentage, because, it's a lower number, right? So the percentage is, the gap is bigger than, it's not as big as this one, but still. So interesting. So 21,000 and 31,000 a year ago. That's crazy, right? Isn't that crazy? Eggs and tuna are some of the cheapest ones. And if Solana crash Bitcoin is going to crash hard. If Solana crash Bitcoin is going to crash hard. Are people worried that one well controls the entire company and it's not decentralized? That's Solend. It's not Solana. It's Solend. It's Solend. It's a lending platform, I believe. It's not Solana. It's just Solend on Solana. Right. Yeah, so Solend says investors at center of Solana DeFi controversy started to move funds. So it's Solend. It's not Solana. On the games. I know a lot of people thought it was Solana, so they started freaking out, but it's just one decentralized app, I believe, correct? That is it's causing all this fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And I mean, it's true. I mean, so we'll talk about that. So a large wallet is at the center of the governance drama at Solana lending platform Solend. Started to move millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency Tuesday morning. Solend said in a tweet, the move potentially averts the risk of contagion in case of liquidation that could have caused hundreds of millions of dollars in losses. The anonymous wallet had deposited 95% of Solan's pool of SOL tokens and represented 88% of USDC borrowing, but came close to margin call last week as Sol price moved more than 40% to a low as $27. And I think it would have caused that big cascade event, right, where everyone would have got wrecked if it hit about $22. So the protocol would have automatically liquidated up to 20% of the large investors' collateral if Sol hit $22, yeah, and potentially led to damage in the broader Solana ecosystem. A governance vote was floated by protocol developers to take control of the account and take steps to manage the risk. Now, obviously, that defeats the purpose of DeFi. If you could just be like, all right, we're going to vote to do this thing and just, wreck that thing, just, take control of this person's wallet. It's like, you can't do that. It's not DeFi, right? The wallet's actions Tuesday came at the Sol price, as the Sol price rose by 12% over 24 hours to $37. That means the liquidation levels are far below current prices, allowing the wallet's users to take necessary steps to prevent unforeseen damages in case of liquidation. So, false alarm. So that's good for people in Solana, right? And on Solana. So good. Trondell, let's see. USDD, I don't know what's going on with USDD, but apparently they said they're over collateralized, which means they should have enough money to make sure this works out. I mean, it's up 1% today, but this should be $1, right? It should be $1. So, or at least 99. Like UST's been hanging around 99 cents. So that's promising. Yeah. So, and then of course USDC coin, USDC has been absolutely solid. Include Shilton. Karn wrap crow and Moon optimizer, in my opinion, to build on your crow bag. Not if I'm building on my crow bag too. Yeah, definitely. 6 cents Monke. Yeah, some degenerates. I've been getting like spammed by Monk so hard. Monk. Never mind, not enough coffee at the type. Farm coin is good, if I'm honest. I bought some farm coin. What the fuck's farm coin? What's farm coin? Harvest farm? Harvest finance? What kind of APY we earning in harvest finance? Oh, we've heard about this. Yeah, we've heard about this. Earn your yield on crypto? Santa wasn't even included in the new Sata Pro promo? Of course. Farm coin, okay.
Tell me, what do you see?
Got a
Gems
mask?
completely uncut. Look at you. A kid in a candy store. I see the future. It's blinding. And it feels like freedom. Tempting. But at the same time, unpredictable. Ouch! Ah. Wake up, farmer. We've got yields to earn. Come on, check this, baby. We can harvest 100 farms and won't even break a sweat. It's fully automatic, so put the pedal to the metal. But remember, good things come to those who wait. Harvest Finance. Bread for the people.
That's hilarious. So, all right, got a little anime going. You got a little anime going there. Sounds like a 6. It does, right? Why is his voice so sensual? Why was his voice so sensual? What happened to the dump today? Yeah, no dump. We'll see though, right? I mean, we're calling it pump and dumping all the way down, right? So we'll see. I have no clue. I was just going to getting some for free. Blah, 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 blah. And you thought the Saitama promo was whacked, but at least this one made sense, right? This one actually made sense. Like
It's blind.
Like he's farming one at a time, but with harvest you can farm all at the same time, but it's more of a long-term deal, right? So 30 plus trusted platforms. So that's their deal, right? So yield farming on like trusted platforms. So that's their deal. I get it, but it was an interesting voice, right? It was an interesting voice that you're like, what?
Blinding.
Oh,
Wake up,
here.
farmer. Wake up, farmer. Wake up,
Wake up, farmer.
We've got yields to earn. Come on, check this, baby. We can harvest 100 farms and won't even break a sweat. It's fully automatic, so put the pedal to the metal. But remember, good things come to those who wait. Harvest Finance. Bread for the people.
So that's pretty interesting, right? So put the pedal to the metal. Good things come to those who wait, Think he's mocking Cyberpunk? Probably Mr. Plankton, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is SHIB still jamming? Oh no, okay. It's kind of dirtling around. Put the pedal to the metal. Yeah, it's kind of creepy. Ooh, harvest. It will dump tomorrow, guaranteed. Ronnie said dump today. The cryptocurrency market said hold my beer. Celsius said hold my beer. Oh my god, this is volatile as hell. This is all time for Harvest Finance. God damn. I guess the point is to use their protocol though, but still kind of trending down. Yeah. What's up, farmer? Hey there, farmer. Yeah. Hey there, farmer. Who won the hoodie? We're not picking just yet. We're gonna pick right now soon. Very, very soon. Very soon. Near the end of the stream. Still waiting to get blocked by the Saitama official. Oh my. And if you're going to launch a product called Take That, we invite you to investors. Hey, farmer. Good morning, farmer. Hey, farmer. How many farmers we got out there?
Talk to you about Saitama and why what project that we are going to push out later on.
A farmer. Ronnie, try that. Hey there, farmer. When you're on a date, all right, I'll try it. I'll let you guys know when I get left. Do these products that are making these things get a accusation of making them rich in hopes they are fulfilling their promises to make us rich? Do these products are making it a thing to get us accustomed to making them rich in hopes that they fulfill their promises to make us rich? I mean, that's the goal with a lot of these meme coins, is that we want to get rich off of a small investment, and it appeals to the people who can't afford much in the first place, right? So it's in the description of this video. It's just called Rodney. So I got you, Curtis Crypto. Hey, Rodney, stop fighting Saitama and do your own research. Farmers only. Hey, girls, your dad a farmer? The only thing that I don't like massive field is horse shit right behind. Farmers chill. You guys are wild, bro. Oh, are we going off the rails? Guys, we have to wait for an hour to go off the rails, okay? It's Django. Oh, Django. I'm gonna use that line in the beginning of Foreplay. Oh, Django is returning. Off the rails, explain to me Clear Crypto's drama. Lively Void. Teddy loves the drama. Teddy is the big drama show. You already know the drama. But Banana Task Force Apes did block me because they're little sensitive boys. So I actually want to start a chicken coop and eggs. I can't stand chicken, but I can't stand chicken shit. Well, that's a problem because chickens do shit a lot. Hey, farmer, you looking kind of voluptuous in this pants. Here is an egg to head to Arsenal. Wait, what? If your Uncle Jack fell off the horse, would you help your Uncle Jack off the horse? You're so stupid. Drama sales? Yeah, I guess it would, but I'm not going to get into that right here. We addressed it last night. There's no drama. We are the best. Quick Cryptos. Quick Cryptos. All I got to say is let's wait and see. Yeah, he already off, bro. You guys are gross. You guys are disgusting. You guys are disgusting. We the best. You guys are actually the best. We the best, man. I did it. M87. Create a hoodie with a zoomed in pic of your face saying, "Hey, farmer." Hey, farmer. Hey, farmer. Oh, hey, the gap's looking extra gappy today, huh? DGen smash the like. Oh, we're a little degenerate here, right? We're a little degenerate here. So a lot of good news in cryptocurrency right now. I mean, a lot of positive sentiment, but overall, we still looking like hot doo-doo water, right? What other cryptocurrencies have like funny crypto videos? Like, though, that's funny. Is there like a YouTube for that? Let's see. Funny crypto videos. If we could find that. Oh, Django. Clickety clack that like button, baby. Push us up in the old algorithm. Oh, let's watch a Meet Kevin video.
Boy, oh boy.
This video is called OMFG. I got Morning Moon, and it's like a picture of him showing like a fake boner. Let's watch the Meet Kevin. I love Meet Kevin.
Days like today that you're glad you bought, but then you realize you bought higher than where we are today. But folks, don't even talk to me about Korean margin calls. I don't want to hear it because today we're going to the moon, baby. Because remember this, folks, over the past year, the S&P 500 has rallied in 6 out of 8 of the post-Fed FOMC meetings. And boy, oh boy, are we seeing that today. And I'm going to talk retail buying, some things to watch for, and some cautionary heads ups. But boy, oh boy, look at this. Stocks like Nvidia up 5%, Tesla up 8 to 9%, Coinbase 14.4%. Coins also being moved to exchanges are at record lows right now. We're still elevated from early June, but when I say record lows, I mean like compared to the last 3 weeks. Hopefully we get less selling pressure on BTC because we're seeing way fewer coins head over. SPY up over 2.6, QQQ up 3.2, Lucid, Affirm 10%, Apple, Google up over 3.5%, Enphase up 6%. I mean, these are some good numbers. So what's happening here, folks? Well, part of it could be, in my opinion, a little bit of a squeeze. We've got a lot of shorts loaded up on the market. And what I want you to look at is this chart here, which shows you over time how many freaking put contract buyers are out there. and it has exploded. The amount of people buying puts right now is insane. So it is possible that we're seeing some form of squeeze on these option buyers right now. Retail buyers mostly right now buying TQQQ. You can see that on the chart here. Amazon, QQQ SPY, and some ARK K. You can see that on this other chart here. And the more to the right you are, the more retail is buying that particular symbol. And so the question is, hey, is this maybe a bottom? If you look at the QQQ chart, 280 seems like a pretty natural spot. Here it is on screen. And you can look at a similar feeling of a bottom over in European markets. Well, we've got two charts here. The first one here showing you the potential for a large economic slowdown in Europe already being priced into the markets. Maybe. And another chart here showing you that maybe we are bouncing off the bottom in the European market as well. At the same time, you've got this really weird activity where the Russian ruble is now actually worth more than it was before the war, which is kind of crazy. And Putin's kind of like, your sanctions are like nothing to me. I don't know why all of a sudden
Why do you sound German?
Putin has a German accent. But
Yeah.
anyway, folks, we just have to be realistic here. I love rally days like today, and hopefully we get a rally week, but we've got to be real here, okay? We've got Mr. Bullard already telling us, hey, maybe we're starting to see our higher rates impacting the market. Maybe consumers are pulling back a little bit, and this is a good thing because it'll slow down inflation. It'll let supply chain issues ease up a little bit, but these are the opportunities to not get overly optimistic. We don't want to go euphoric. I know it's just the first day of a rally, but these are times you really want to start thinking to yourself, stay out of margin. Don't get too anxious like this is it. This is for sure the bottom. We still got a long 2022 ahead of us. And don't
We're only halfway through the year, baby.
worry. Like I'm mostly in this market. Y'all know that, especially those of you in my programs on building your wealth. You know what my plan is. You know where I have my money right now. You know where I plan to move my money when the time is right. And you're going to be the first to know about it, which if you want to be part of that, make sure to use the 50% off coupon code. A link down below. Price goes up again on Friday. But folks, limit your enthusiasm for going all in on margin or going into crazy options right now. Although we do have volatility dropping a little bit, lowest level in the last 3 days. Makes sense. We got a big green day today. But personally, I think this is an opportunity for us to be cautious. Get out of margin. Don't go into margin on days like today. Okay. If you're going to go into margin when you have a dream like I did the other day that I basically in my dream woke up that Tesla was at 420 and I'm like, oh God. And I went like $3 million deep into margin. And then I woke up the next day and it was at 150 and I was getting margin called. Bad dreams. Anyway, so be careful with margin. Close risky options if you have them right now. And I want you to know about this. This is a really, really important forewarning, okay? We could still face for the rest of this year a substantial earnings recession. The market right now is trying to price in the fear that we're going to have a recession. Like, who cares? Okay, GDP down 1% or whatever year over year. Like, who cares? That doesn't really affect us. But what will affect us a lot in the stock market is an earnings recession. Massive guidance revisions to the downside, especially in consumer discretionaries, but honestly, throughout all sectors. Home builders, as home prices fall and their net asset values get written down, especially if we have a real estate correction, which I'm expecting and planning for. This is why I dumped all my real estate and I told you all about this. I expect, and we're seeing this research, we're working through this research right now, but we're already seeing signs of significant slowdowns in credit card spending in just the last 4 to 6 weeks, both amongst lower income cohorts and higher income cohorts. This is going to set up for, I think, very, very disappointing numbers going forward for especially consumer discretionaries. But we keep thinking, oh, but services and restaurants and travel hold up, right? Not so fast. Stay tuned later for more data on this when we go through the entire report.
More data.
But we're starting to get a little nervous that some of these numbers could end up coming in worse than expected. And it's one of the reasons since January I've been advocating stay far away from consumer discretionaries. Now, I have to say, I've been pretty dang tempted to buy some of them at some of these prices. In fact, in our last course member live stream, we went through a fundamental analysis of Shopify, and just kind of a funny side note on that Shopify analysis. I can't freaking believe that in Shopify's last earnings report, they took a $1.1 billion Canadian dollar, so it's basically worthless. But anyway, 1.1 billion Canadian dollar write-off on
Canada,
a firm. That's because they got like free shares from a firm to be their payment processor. So a firm's kind of like, hey, let us be your payment processor. And Shopify's like, oh, well, sure, we could use that for Shop Pay, but what can you do to sweeten the deal a little bit? Oh, how about $300 million of our shares, which ended up going up to like $2 billion, but now they took a $1.1 billion write-down. Crazy. Thanks, Affirm, for ruining Shopify, too. Whew, not the only thing that's getting ruined. I lost money on Affirm, too. I'm pissed. But anyway, so remember, folks, 2022, long year, a lot of rate hikes ahead of us. The impacts of the Fed rate hikes are still ahead of us, a lot of them. Real estate wealth effect, the stock wealth effect, joblessness that we're expecting, a potential doubling of the joblessness rate, and probably the biggest and worst catalyst of all that should make you nervous is I'm going on vacation on July 7th, and it's going to be long. Hey, now I just want to add something else here, okay? So first of all, thanks for making it to the end of the video, but I think this is pretty important. So take a look at this. You can come in close here if you want. Look at this. So these are the 5-year break-evens, and what's really important is that, see, this is February over here in March, right? This is kind of where war began, and then we had this insane surge of inflation expectations throughout March. Inflation expectations are probably one of the most hotly watched measures by the Federal Reserve. And what's really, really good here is look at this, folks. We're sitting at 2.88 right now. What's incredible about that 2.88 level is if we actually pull from this level back over roughly here, and I'm kind of, a little squiggly line there, but doing my best, we are now at the lowest level we have been in since the war began, which is really good because all of this crazy war inflation is basically being looked at by the market as, hey, don't worry, the Federal Reserve is here to save the day and they're going to take care of us. Now, whether or not you believe the Fed's going to take care of us or not is a totally different thing. But something just to show you why this is so important, something you can do is you can overlay the 5-year break even and the 10-2 treasury yields to see an inverted yield curve, right? And if we go back into the last 6 months here, look at what you're going to see. You're going to see this inversion that we had right here in the 10-2 yield curve. This was on April 1st. And you could see that almost perfectly correlated with the worst inflation expectation. So as inflation expectations go up, we really think that we're going to have a recession, which is generally signaled by the 10-2 yield curve. And you last saw the 10-2 yield curve invert only for about 20 minutes in the morning here last week. And that was right around the time that inflation expectations again had skyrocketed here. And so it's no surprise that when we get rid of these here and we just go into the last month, we really zoom in here. It's no surprise. This looks a little messy. Let's go back to 6 months here. It's no surprise that we've uninverted on the yield curve, although we're still pretty low. We're at 8.7 basis points right now. We've uninverted on the yield curve again, and these inflation break-evens are substantially lower than where they've been all, well, I can't say all year, but really since the war. For the year, for just point of view, we had the lowest point we had was about 2.75 on 5-year break-evens. We're at 2.88. That's again down from that 3.15 peak that we just had in the last couple of weeks, which was combined with a lot of red. So in my opinion, this is actually good news. The market is not expecting runaway inflation, which again is very different from what we experienced in the late 70s and early 80s.
Interesting. Okay, so that's probably good news. Bitcoin, BC at 13K and ETH tonight. You better chill out. Of course, we got a lot of hopium today. News is day to day. You know what I mean? So who knows what's going to happen? I like his reporting, but he should get some cannabis. His system, yeah, he's a little hyper, right? I think he quit caffeine one time, but ended up redoing caffeine. ETH to $700. I would like that. I would definitely like that. Altcoin season is brewing. Let's go, baby. I have hopium that Bree's going to give me a hug. ETH to $70. I'll end you. Chill, daddy, chill. All right, let's pick a winner. Let's pick a winner. Which one of the members is going to win? Picker. Can I get some F's in the chat for a winner? Let's go. Can I get some F's in the chat for a winner? Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and da, 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 ba, da, 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 da. All right, let's pick a little wiener. Who is the member? I have 53 retweets, so let's go pick a winner. Oh, tweet. There it is. Entries. Oh, 50. Oh, look at all these. Look at all these. F's in the chat, baby. F's in the chat. F's in the chat, baby. Let's go. I need your energy. Let's pick a winner. Oh, yeah. Who's going to win? Who's going to win? Who's going to win? And we got Baron. Okay, Baron, I'm going to go to your DM and I'm going to send you a secret word. If you put this secret word in the chat, and I know you are a member and you do follow me. All right. Aaron, you have 5 minutes to respond. F for I'm fucked. I'm not going to win. F. F's in the chat, baby. F. Rebate is paying. It does affect the time. Only a few hours old. 23. RE. So what is it? SRE. Saitama rebate. Oh my god, you guys are wild. Let's see. SRE. Saitama rebate, I guess is a new coin. Only 43 holders. All right, Baron, you gotta win. Let's see what this is about. Let me see. What am I doing with this? Token sniffer. Has anyone seen Baron in the chat? I don't see Baron. My god, look at this. 20% selfie. Get out of here with that. You fucking get out of here with that. That's too many. That's too many. Ownership's not. Absolutely not. Baron, where you at, Barry? Baron, I don't see you. Baron's been around for a while, but I'm not sure if he's a member though. Baron, where are you? We're Otto. Real ones. We demand a recount. We demand a recount. Baron, where you at, Baron? Da, 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 da. Can I have it if he doesn't show up? I have to pick another winner the correct way. Let's see if he DM'd me. And we're Otto. Otto, Baron. Baron, you got about 2 minutes. I'm gonna send him a message. You pick another winner. If you don't show up to the stream, it's a good word. Aaron. Check DM. Let's see. Eggplant work. I'd have to send you a new one. What is the eggplant filter? What is that? Where's Baron at? I don't see him. Let's see. Oh, okay. I see you, Baron. Yeah, there it is, Baron. All right. Baron. Send me your address for the sweater, and then send me your Ethereum address, and I'll go and hook you up. Okay. Let's go, Baron. Let's go, Baron. Thank you so much for participating. Congratulations. Send me that Addy. I'm gonna show up. I'm gonna say what's up. Hey, let me in. One day later. Thank you, Baron. I appreciate you, bro. You can send me a P.O. box or like your cousin's address. I'm not gonna stalk you, I promise. Let's go. Let's go. Just one winner. We'll do another giveaway soon, though. Do you think with all the Saitama employees they just hired, they would get these airdrops out of exactly? I know. Okay, call IRS for no comment on that. Mouthful was late. He didn't want it that bad enough. Hey, farmer. I think he was in the chat probably the whole time. I just didn't see him. I got me some Phantom in my wallet, Paul. Bernie, is this you, Bernie? Oh my god. What's good, bro? What's up, G Vibes? How you doing? Absolutely not. Clearcraft is. Gotta bounce. Have a nice day, Sebastian. Hope you had a good, restful night of sleep last night. Near the end of the stream, Bernie, if you're still here. I'm gonna say Thomas song for old time's sake. You guys are out of your mind. Baron's dad is a billionaire redraw. I got fuck all in my wallet. What's up, 2-bit crypto? Taxes on taxes are lowered. Dane, stop spamming, you freaking weirdo. Are they really lowered, or are you just saying that? Because your contract isn't renounced. So you could do all kinds of shady shit. And I don't even know, you could do all kinds of shady shit. It's called Saitama rebate. It looks like a good play because it's Saitama rebates. People helping out. People got wrecked in Saitama, Market cap's only 23K. Liquidity is at 5K, not bad. Liquidity is locked, but Token Sniffer says it takes some time to update. Still says 20%. I don't believe you. I'll believe you, Dane. Baron is a millionaire. No one knows that Baron's a millionaire. Everybody's just saying that. What's up with Shiba? What's up? We don't know what's up with Sheena. It's Shiba. It's just moving. 1 second. SHIB. SHIB. Pull up the bubble map. Oh, burn wallet. That's not bad. That's not bad. You don't know, Samuel. It's just going dummy. Maybe Shibarium coming out. Yeah, it's a Shiba Inu. First crypto I ever purchased. Nice little water. Hex is Hex really running? I think everything's running right now. Let me see Hex. Oh shit, Hex is up 30% today. Damn. Why? Altcoins be doing some real degenerate stuff. Damn. Oh, that's why. You guys Pixel is running. I got me some Phantom in my wallet. Hold on. Give me 1 second. All right, let me go ahead and send you your ETH right now, Mr. Baron. Let me send you your ETH right now, sir. Oh, ETH is on the way. Anything will be running on the ETH. Anything will be running on the ETH blockchain. What do you mean? Oh, all ERC20 tokens? Yeah, you're right. Pixel is running. Verify main dev that we drop it 10%. I have verified with the main dev that we will drop it 10% and hold there. Boom. Russ just applied for a relief too. What's up, Dino? How you doing? I know you, Dino. SRE. You need some volume in this thing. I mean, look at this is a degenerate, quick, easy play. This is not. I don't know anything about Saitama rebate. TBH, you know. Aaron, where are you going to spend your where are you going to spend your 100? What are you going to buy? What dip are you going to buy? Just keep the Ethereum, really. That's what I would do. I got me some Phantom in my wallet. Let's see. You're you can't really buy much right now. I got me some Phantom in my wallet. Is that a new Wellies NFT? Nice, Hitoshi. Junkaru. Shh. Oh, didn't you say it's the same group of devs that started these scams? Saitama rebate is just another one. 100%, 100%. 110%. Let's go to Etherscan. Let's see. Okay, so this is the only one he created. What did he? So we got the initial liquidity from KuCoin and Coinbase. So they sent liquidity here, or that's how they added it, right? Lockers and Unicrypt, set fee. Usually they're pretty sloppy in what they'll do. What they'll do is that they'll leave, like, they'll just keep the same creator address or the owner address the same for all the tokens they make, and you can really see which projects they're doing. But this person wasn't lazy. Yeah, Shaman King's down, right? Like, is it dead? Got me some Phantom in my wallet. You can't even trade a lot. Bernie, why do you look like a little boy? Bernie, why do you look like a little boy? Pace is still holding strong. Yeah, Shaman's down. Yeah, huge community. You got me some Phantom in my wallet. Let's go to Shaman. Oh, it's just Shaman, right? Not Shaman King. This is their second contract. Damn. So this is their V2, right? Well, we still have liquidity, but it's locked, right? So Shaman King. I think, yeah, they think this was the old one, Shaman King. They rebranded as Shaman. Shiba changed my life. Then I got super wrecked and became broke. And then the week I became broke, I landed my dream job. Life is a fucking roller coaster, man. Crypto skeleton. That's hilarious. Oh no, this is recent. Yeah, I'm happy with my new Wellies NFTs. It's better than the trash BTFA I minted. Damn, this is crazy. Yeah, Kishimoto did do the did do the ruggy. Let's go to Kishimoto. Literally all these tokens that were going to be on Saitama did the ruggy, right? They did the absolute ruggy. Damn, son. Damn. Damn, dude. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Yeah, life is nuts, man. Life is nuts. It's crazy. Life is crazy, then you die, right? Life's a bitch and then you die. Is that the saying? Life's a bitch and then you die. I put $5 in Shiba Inu. Hey, $5. The cool thing is you can buy SHIB like on an exchange, right? Damn, look at this, boy. Golly, the meme coin hype was real, you know? The meme coin hype was so real, guys. It's insane. So real. All right, DJ, have a good day. I'm gonna say 4 or 5 p.m. DJ. Maybe 5 p.m. works better for you, right, DJ? Chishimoto could lick my left nut. Lost 2,200 on that one. Oh, bro, I feel you, bro. We keep losing. Bolt is mooning. Just kidding. Yep, I can keep making money until around 4:30 or start right home. Okay, perfect. Yes, Mr. Plankton. We'll do 5 p.m. PST for the boys channel, the man channel. Teach me how to ruggy. Teach me how to ruggy. I'm a graphic designer and I landed a lead apparel job. Really lucky, got but an insane position to be in, especially when going broke. It was a wild ride. That's awesome, crypto. Hey, it all worked out, bro. It all worked out for you. Del Crypto is the king. Yeah, I mean, how is Del Crypto? What does Del Crypto do? I haven't. How's he doing? Let's see. How's he doing? Alt account. What's he doing? What was it like Del? Is it Crypto? Oh, here it is. How's he doing? Oh, he's a Grove token guy now. He's Shiba. It's a wasteland over here. It's a wasteland. ETH fan token. Damn. Grove token. Who's Cryptosaurus Rex? Cryptosaurus Rex. Damn, this is like a ghost town here, right? SRE. I mean, even if it does ape, I mean, it doesn't look like they have a lot of liquidity in this, right? So you can't buy too much of this. But this will probably go crazy. We'll see. We will see. Now, crypto is at a CIA black site waiting for. He's tweeting. In China, people are jumping out of windows because of their life savings are up in smoke because of Terra Luna crash. Life is. Wait, what? Oh yeah, DJ. Oh, Community Hodl. BS, I was up 20K on SHIB, never sold. Yeah. I think we all learned a little bit about hodling. I'm still learning that lesson today, right? So don't feel so bad. Don't feel so bad. Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Damn. I'm never holding again. I know, right? I was up with over 60K on Shiba and it didn't sell. Feel you, bro. Yeah. We all have stories of holding shit at the top, but that's what comes with flipping money so easily. A lot of lessons to be learned, a lot of luck to be had, and a lot of emotions to control. Exactly. DCA from now on. Appreciate you, Dino. Have a fantastic day, bro. BTFA is pumping. You know what? Goodbye. You want to... Goodbye. BTFA. They blocked me. They got upset. Pour one out for Kishimoto. All right, I'm going to take a piss. I'll be right back. And grab some water. Hydrate, hydrate. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day here in Southern California, baby. Hydrate. I want to piss on it. Shout out to Dave Chappelle. The best way I do taking profits is to have multiple wallets at different set profits. That way, you know, when a bag reaches my mark, I can cash out. Yeah, absolutely. WAGME is going to pump when the game releases. I hope so. That'll be a good catalyst. It's very soon. So, and believe me, I will be taking profits this time. I will be taking some profits. I'm not going to take out my whole bag, but I'll be taking some profits. Fucking Bernie. I want to piss on it. What's up, G-Man? How you doing, bro? Just hanging out. Santa Barbara weather feeling real damn good right now. Oh, yeah. This is the kind of day where I'm going to hit a good workout. I'm going to come back home. I'm going to take my shirt off, and I'm going to go for a fucking 2-hour walk. That's what I'm going to do today. That's my fucking zen right there. Getting all the maximum sunlight, putting some good music on, and just walking around for 2 hours in one of the most beautiful places in the world. And soaking up all that damn sun. Give me your energy. And then I'll come back and make YouTube videos. Summer finally came here in PNW. Been raining for the last 7 months. I know, Jay Linda, man. I live there. It is terrible. Jay Linda, you should have got your ETH, by the way. Hold on. Yeah, send this to you. Send this to you. Not Jay Linda. My bad. Not Baron. Sorry, Jay. I want to piss on it. People always say hodl because long-term investors who hold always win. When those same people you should have sold at all-time highs, like what the fuck? How am I supposed to know what was all-time high? I can't tell the future. Exactly, right? Exactly. It's always nice taking profits at all-time high, right? Taking some profits. You don't take all of it, and that depends what projects you're in. Some projects are like here for a good time, not a long time. And I think we're all learning that, right? I want to piss on it. Damn. Let's go back to SHIB. Nice. You sell on the lower high. Interesting. All I want is Chipotle gift cards. Start shilling them. Why do you guys want Chipotle gift cards? Like $100 Chipotle gift card? Sorry, we can't. We got to do this. We got to do this. We can't just. Got to do that. There it is. Oh, Tech Gaber. I think this is a fake out. I think this is a fake out. It's a Tama missed their anniversary. You're welcome. You're welcome, Baron. The Terra Rebels group is having an AMA with their Discord with Luna Classic. That really? Okay. Really? Really now? What do you guys got going on today? What are you guys getting into? What are you guys getting into today? SRE rebate flying now. They lowered. Let's see. Is it really flying? I mean, it hasn't really moved much. You can't really buy much of this. I think 0.1 ETH is the limit. This isn't a fake out. We're going to see today. Working on the truck. Okay. That's good. It means that they can't dump. That is true. How are you guys spending your? Today's Tuesday, right? How are you guys spending your Tuesday? Buying some bone. Nice. Spaghetti. Buying some bone. Nice. Okay. When are they lifting max buy? I don't know. They're probably not. Nothing today, but going to a fancy rooftop restaurant alone on Saturday for my birthday. I'll be 24. Might post on Instagram. Alone? Bro, you better get some friends, bro. Better get you a hot little honey. Better start swiping on Tinder. Let's go, Jay Way. We'll turn up for you. Tuesday is boring. I want the market to dump already so I could buy ETH cheap. Fixing to watch the College World Series. Okay. I'm kind of mad that basketball is over. I was really enjoying the finals. But shout out to the Warriors. I wanted the Warriors to win, but it'd be nice if it would have went 7 games. I haven't slept good in a few days. I think it's going to put Sandstorm video and crash put on a set. Oh shit, that's mean. Oh my god. It appears that I may have give up on Saitama. Still haven't received my airdrop. Really, Tracy? That's a damn shame. That's a damn shame. We saw Chad Ratings put out a pretty good poll, like calling him out pretty much, like indirectly, but I thought it was great. Oh my god, Meet Kevin deleted this. Oh my god, Meet Kevin, why you delete it? Let's go. He says, I love going out to eat alone, just me and a great book and some yummy food. Do you like baseball? Do you see Machado injury? I'll get into baseball during like the World Series and playoffs and stuff like that, but I don't really pay attention to it. No, baseball's not my jam. I really like football, basketball, MMA, but Like I'll end up watching all the football highlights every Sunday, like on my phone. Like I'll sit there in bed for like an hour and just watch every single fucking game highlight. Will LeBron James ever win a championship again? I'd say no. Easier to eat alone. Not that he's not great, because LeBron James already established himself as probably the second greatest player of all time, if not the first. Whatever your argument is, he's top 2, right? Glad to see Steph Curry crack the top 10, which is definitely good. And Steph Curry still has more to go. That guy's an absolute animal. I like all sports. Yeah, I can fuck with all sports. You know what I really like to watch? Tennis. I like to watch tennis when all the great players play. Or World Cup soccer is really cool.
I told everyone, I've been telling everyone for months, I went all in with my...
He called it.
I told y'all. I told everyone. I've been telling everyone for months. I went all in with my corporation, the Henout Crypto Corporation, and our big team. We went all in, not just with the funds, but with our time, our energy, our...
Hold on. Oh, shit.
I had to, y'all. I just bought $62,000 more worth of Saitama token. Why? Because Binance is on the way. It's time to panic buy. Contacts, our phone books, the plane rides, the meetings, the connections. I have not been idle during this crypto winter. Crypto winners are incredible because they absolutely expose the trash projects. Warren Buffett talks about the tsunami that hits markets, which will wash out all the projects that can't survive, that can't hold their weight in the middle of the tsunami, in the middle of the storm. I have been talking to my friends in Hollywood, my friends on Wall Street. The consensus is it's the same thing I'm hearing across the board. Never seen a leadership team in crypto with that kind of background, that kind of success. They're all excited. They're crazy excited. And so
who else believes that bullshit? What's Apollo Inu looking like? Okay, Apollo Inu. He's up 259% on the week. Let's see. Holders haven't really increased too much. I have someone who owns 2% of the supply. Okay. Wait, is this the same contract? It is, right? 620. This thing has no is this the right contract? Did they launch another one? There's no wait, well, there's volume. Okay, 5 ETH buys. You know that some of our favorite influencers are the top holders in this. I mean, hey, if the outcome is income, you're making money, but you know, yeah, I mean, people that follow these wallets have been seeing the manipulation, right? Walking. So these haven't been moving at all. These wallets have not been doing anything. They haven't been moving at all. I'm jacked. It's big ETH buy coming. That was a big ETH buy. 24 ETH will really move this. 200. Oh, so they pumped and dumped it. So they sold already? Let's see. They bought some SHIB 2 hours ago. Sold Apollo. Maybe transfer some USD coin. So this person is loading up on SHIB. We can see and selling Apollo. So they sold all their Apollo. Okay, yeah. So they bought at 2 o'clock yesterday. Well, that's weird because it says they have no Apollo in their wallet, but they're $252. Man, this person has a lot of Saitama too. Isn't it crazy how they're all kind of like linked together? Like this, they have a lot of Saitama actually. God damn, $100,000 worth of Saitama. So I don't know why they'd buy Shiba Inu now though, unless they're pretty sure the market was going to continue to pump. But I can't see that happening. I think that we're going to pull back a little bit tomorrow. We'll see though. Maybe it'll keep mooning. Who knows? What is their project even? What does Apollo even look like?
And what they're
So they changed it to Apollo Crypto. Let's see. Creators enter the crypto content each week to compete for significant funding opportunities. Creator content, Apollo DAO, Apollo, Bitmart, Lbank, XT, Morgan, contest number 1, Stanley, film producer, Kyrie Anderson. So they're creator contest winners. So they're giving money away to creators. How creators fund their passionate project. We have a winner, Kim H, Monica. So pretty much that's a good cause, you know. Polygon is just more than just a token. The heart of creating tokenomics, blah 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 blah. Reflections, burn, token, smart contract audit. It's a nice looking website. Roadmap, Apollo being extremely transparency. One way to express belief is allowing everyone to access the public. Trailer band showing them being worked on. So pretty much okay. So Apollo is extremely transparent. Is believes in extreme transparency. One way to express this belief is by allowing anyone to access our public trail board, showing off what is believed to be worked on, who is worked on. All right. Let's see the trail board. Let's see. So port formation, blah, 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 blah. So I think it's pretty obvious that Henoch is probably part of this team. And a lot of the money they gave him was for investing in this. If Hidea gets $1,000, it's over. Get me out of here. Yeah, no, Bitcoin's literally just a cryptocurrency. So it's like digital gold, right? People call it like digital gold. But I don't think it's a bad idea. I think that it's a good idea. It's heartfelt and stuff like that. I just feel like it's a charity token, right? For people in the space. And I don't see that being a good project. Like a good crypto project. It's a charity token. And that's how you generate revenue is, with buy and sell taxes or whatever however they're doing it. So yeah. I mean, how do they generate revenue? We'll do more research into this, but I want to see how they generate revenue besides buy and sell taxes.
So I told everyone, I've been telling.
Why did it come out with videos when Saitama?
Everyone for months. I went all in with my corporation, the Henoch Crypto Corporation, and our big team. We went all in, not just with the funds, but with our time, our energy, our contacts, our phone books, the plane rides, the meetings.
Yeah, I don't know how to watch that. Since shit on our taxes deservedly, we are seeing as we speak, though, for 9 large down. We officially changed our taxes 4% by 11. Okay, that's funny. National Guard. And yes, 11B all the way. Look at these guys just chatting me up. Very, very chatty. I don't know what that is, though. That's nice, though. Good for you guys. I'm not going to tell people to invest in that, though, but do what you want. Why is all this thirst trap in my feed? Is this old guy Dave? Old guy Dave, is this you? You do realize if you accumulate now, by next bull run, you'll be able to sell under long-term capital gains tax, right? Nice. Yeah, that's true. Let's go, Wagby. Let's go, Wagby. Let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, yeah. Shit. Hit that shit. Hey, it's Bob's. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. That shit bopped like hell. Goddamn. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to get out of here for the day. It has been absolutely fantastic with you guys. Awesome is going to be live, and I'm sure it's going to be popping over there. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. You've been absolutely phenomenal. Congratulations to Baron for our contest giveaway. I appreciate everyone participating. I'll put out some content, probably a Shiba Inu video right now, and then more content spread out throughout the day. And yes, we will be having a live stream tonight from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Be on the lookout for that. So you guys have a fantastic day. It was so fun hanging out with you guys. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, Bernie, I forgot to show your I forgot to show you show that the eggplant thing. Do you just want to send that real quick or what? Or how about we'll send it tomorrow? How about that? We'll send it tomorrow. All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.